Hello friends, and welcome to our third video this week as we look at quick and easy tips in Excel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sort and custom sort data values in Excel. My name is Mercy Consolator Kello. Let's get started. To be arranged in descending order, what you do is just right click, scroll down to sort, then select from largest to smallest. Now we have our data values arranged from the highest to the lowest based on the passenger ID. We can do the same. Instead of descending order, we use ascending order. So we choose smallest to largest, and that's your data. The other option is you can come over here to editing and then choose sort and filter, and then you can do the selection from here. Now let's look at custom sort. Say we want to sort our value based on sex and age. What you're going to do is come over here and then select custom sort. And once you're here, you have the option to choose the value by which you want the data set sorted. You have sex, and then we want it to use the cell values, and then we want the order to be ascending. That's from the smallest to the largest, and we want to add another level. So we're telling Excel sort it by sex, then go ahead and sort it by age. So basically what you've told Excel is use this column sex to sort my data values. Then after that, use the age to do the sorting. So we say okay. And now if you come back here, you're having sex, female appearing first. F comes before M. So female appears first, then male. After which it uses the age from the smallest to highest. So here 0.2 is smaller than 15. Next, we can do custom sorting based on cell color. So if we come here and we right click, we choose put the selected cell color on top. Now C appears at the top while the rest of the values appear at the bottom. Now say we want to use the font color instead. We just right click and we select put selected font color on top. Now S should appear at the top. Yeah. Now if we want this Q, which is in red, to appear at the bottom, Excel doesn't give us options of bottom here, so we instead select custom sort. And once we choose that, we come over here and then we can delete this label. And then under sort by, we take embarked. We're using the cell color, and then we have to choose the cell color, which is red. And then we want it to be at the bottom. Then you say okay. And now if you scroll to the bottom, Q should be appearing while the rest of the values are at the top. Lastly, we can use icons. So say we want this green icon to appear at the top. We just right click, come over to sort, put selected formatting icon on top. Now if we scroll back up, we should be able to, yes, all the green arrows are placed at the top and the rest are at the bottom. So in this video, you've been able to learn how to use sort and custom sort. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos as they're released. Thank you and happy learning.